In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the space between words in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're trying to achieve a specific aesthetic for your document or simply need to tweak the formatting to make your text more readable. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to have your Microsoft Word document open and ready to go. Once that's done, you'll need to select the portion of text that you want to adjust. This could be a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even the entire document, whatever suits your needs best. Selecting text is straightforward. Just click and drag your mouse over the text or use the Shift key along with the arrow keys for precision. Next, navigate to the Home tab. The Home tab is where most of the magic happens in Word. It's packed with essential tools that you use frequently. Once you're in the Home tab, you'll focus on the Font group of options. Within this group, you'll notice a small icon that looks like an arrow in the bottom right corner. This is the dialog box launcher. Clicking this will open the font dialog box, giving you access to more detailed settings. In the dialog box, you'll need to switch to the Advanced tab. This section is specifically designed for more intricate font adjustments, including spacing between characters. Look for a section labeled Spacing. Here is where you can begin to modify how your text is distributed on the page. You'll see a drop-down menu with the default setting as Normal. To alter the spacing, you can choose either expanded or condensed from this drop-down menu. Selecting expanded will increase the space between characters and words, which can make your text look less crowded. Conversely, selecting condensed will do the opposite. It decreases the space, making everything appear closer together. Once you've chosen either expanded or condensed, you'll next need to specify how much spacing you want to apply. This is done in the by field where you can type in a specific measurement. It's important to test different values to see what looks best for your document. You might want to experiment with small increments to avoid making your text too spread out or too cramped. After you've entered your desired spacing amount, click OK to apply your changes. The dialog box will close and you'll see the adjustments take effect immediately on your selected text. Take a moment to review the new formatting and ensure it meets your expectations. If further tweaks are needed, you can always repeat the process until you get it just right. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted the space between words and characters in Microsoft Word. Take some time to explore these options further, as they can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.